Arranging transportation for yourself and other meeting attendees is enough for you to do, so let PC NameTag take care of transporting all your meeting registration items to and from the meeting and help you display them beautifully. For name tags that you don't have time to ship or you want to take along with you, our Big Show rolling badge case is the way to roll. This case is constructed like an easy-toting luggage, a retractable, multi-position handle, and premium gliding wheels. It holds up to 4 one-way name tag cases, a total of 200 name tags. In addition to the cases, it also carries other registration materials in its many zippered pockets. Our exclusive one-way small meeting name tag kit contains name tag holders and paper inserts for 50 attendees, plus this convenient case to store and display them. You can assemble your name tags yourself and ship them to your event, or use them as an on-site resource for last-minute attendees. Comes with a convenient self-shipper carton. Another choice for transporting and displaying name tags is our Ready Reg 2 badge case. Designed like a briefcase, this durable yet lightweight case securely holds 75 name tags. At your meeting, just remove the sturdy foam tray, place it on your registration table. Finally, even if all your name tags are neatly displayed, a pile of giveaway bags can ruin a registration table. That's why it's a good idea to have PC Name Tags send our Grandstand collapsible bag stand to the rescue. Just slip it out of its convenient carry case, raise the 3 sturdy arms, and hang dozens of bags in an orderly fashion. That didn't take long, did it? Thanks to the right PC Name Tag products for transporting meeting materials, your tidy registration table is all ready to make a great first impression, getting you and your attendees off to an organized start. Want more info? Click on the product of interest and we'll connect you there.